Okay, this is the intermittent engine noise that I'm hearing, and as you can tell, it's pretty prominent right now, so I'm just going to try and get a little bit of videotape, get an idea of what this is so we can get it fixed. Really seems to be noticeable on the driver's side of the engine toward the front. But it's also pretty clear over on this side as well. So it'll do this for sometimes an entire trip, whether it's 5 miles or 20 miles, and then it'll just stop. It always makes this noise at startup. As soon as the engine starts, sometimes it goes away after a few revolutions. But, as you can see, it sounds pretty serious, or like potentially pretty serious.